What are the risks of nuclear power plants? If you're curious about the risks associated with nuclear power plants, you're not alone. Let's break down the key concerns to give you a clear understanding. First, let's talk about the extraction of uranium, the fuel used in nuclear power plants. Uranium mining, whether through underground, open pit, or in situ leaching methods, poses significant health and environmental risks. Workers in underground mines are at risk of lung cancer, while open pit mining can destroy ecosystems and leave behind toxic, radioactive remnants. In situ leaching can permanently contaminate groundwater. Once the uranium is in use, the operation of nuclear power plants themselves carries several risks. One of the most significant is the potential for meltdowns and accidents. Human error and design flaws have been responsible for some of the worst nuclear accidents, such as the Chernobyl disaster in 1986 and the Fukushima Daiichi accident in 2011. These incidents can release large amounts of radioactive material into the environment, causing widespread contamination and health risks. The health impacts of nuclear accidents are severe. They include increased risks of various types of cancer, immune deficiencies, infant mortality, birth defects, and acute radiation syndrome. Workers at nuclear power plants and those involved in uranium mining are particularly at risk of developing diseases such as cancer. Another concern is the aging infrastructure of many nuclear power plants. The U.S. nuclear fleet, for example, has an average age of 42 years, making it more prone to cracks, corrosion, and other safety compromises. Additionally, these plants are vulnerable to military strikes and terrorist threats. The disposal of nuclear waste is another major issue. For every pound of enriched uranium used in a reactor, over 5,000 pounds of radioactive waste are produced during mining and processing. This waste remains radioactive and dangerous for thousands of years, requiring strict regulations for handling, transportation, storage, and disposal. Nuclear power plants also have to contend with natural disasters. For instance, the Diablo Canyon nuclear power plant in California is located near several earthquake fault lines, which poses a significant safety risk. The plant's design and location make it a challenge for California's climate and renewable energy plans. Despite these risks, the nuclear industry has implemented numerous safety measures. Modern reactors are designed with multiple safety systems, including high-quality design, comprehensive monitoring, and redundant systems to prevent significant radioactive releases. The industry aims to minimize the likelihood of accidents and mitigate their consequences if they do occur. In summary, while nuclear power plants offer a way to generate electricity with fewer immediate fatalities compared to other energy sources, they come with significant risks related to uranium extraction, operational safety, health impacts, aging infrastructure, waste disposal, and natural disasters. Understanding these risks is crucial for evaluating the role of nuclear power in our energy mix.